Hello everyone, welcome to admission updates. In this video, we will see the qualifying cutoff of GATE 2022, wherein we will look at the branch wise cutoff and then category wise cutoff. So let us start the video. Before proceeding to the cutoff, the price rise date of Unacademy's courses has been extended to April 7, and you can use the coupon code admission10 to get 10% off on the uh, course price. Then Unacademy is going to launch Evolve batch on April 6, 2022 for CSIT. The batch will be in both Hindi and English language, and it is for CS and IT branch. So make sure that you use admission 10 code to get the discount on this batch. And there is another batch Ascent for Gate 2024. It will be a bilingual batch, and it is for civil, electrical and mechanical branch. Again, the batch is going to start from April 6, and make sure you use this code admission 10 to get 10% off. Now coming to the qualifying cutoff, in this section you will find three columns. First one is for the paper, that is branch. This is the code of the branch, or you can say the paper, and this is the qualifying cutoff marks. So first we will start with the electronics and communication engineering. The code for this branch is EC, and the general cutoff is 25, and the cutoff for OBC is 22.5. Then the cutoff for SCST PWD is 16.5. And then next is electrical engineering. The code is double E. Then qualifying cutoff for general is 30.7. For OBC, NCL and EWS, the cutoff is 27.6, and the qualifying cutoff for SC PWD category is 20.4. Is engineering sciences. The qualifying cutoff for general category is 40.3. For OBC, NCL, EWS, it is 36.2, and for SCST PWD, it is 26.8. Uh, Next is ecology and evolution. The paper code is EY, and the general category cutoff for 2022 is 33.4. For OBC, NCL, and EWS, the qualifying cutoff is 30, and for SCST and PWD category, it is 22.2. Next is life science. For botany and zoology, the general cutoff is 33.9. The cutoff for OBC, NCL, EWS is 30.5. Then cutoff for SCST, PWD is 22.5. Next is computer science, the favorite branch of most of the candidates, engineering candidates. The paper code is 6CS. The qualifying cutoff mark for 2022 is 25 for general category. For OBC, it is 22.5, and for SCST PWD, it is 66.6. Next is chemistry. The general cutoff is 27.5. Uh, the cutoff for OBC, NCL, AWS is 24.7. Then for the cutoff for SCST PWD is 18.3. Is mathematics. The general cutoff is 27.3. Cutoff for OBC, NCL, EWS is 24.5, and SCST PWD category cutoff is 18.2. Next is statistics. The general category cutoff is 25. OBC, NCL, EWS cutoff is 22.5. Then SCST PWD cutoff is 16.6. Next is textile engineering and fiber science. The general category cutoff is 36.8. The cutoff for OBC, NCL, EWS is 34.9, and the cutoff for SCST PWD is 25.6. Next is physics. The cutoff for physics in general category is 26.5. For OBC, NCL, EWS, the cutoff marks is 23.8. Then for SCST PWD, the cutoff is 17.6. For biotechnology, the general category cutoff is 30.5, 35.5. Then for OBC, NCL, and EWS, it is 31.9. Then for SCST PWD, it is 23.6. Next is civil engineering. The general category cutoff is 30.4, and cutoff for BCNCL EWS is 27.3. Next is chemical engineering. The general category cutoff is 25.3. The cutoff for OBC NCL AWS is 22.7, and SC/ST PWD category cutoff is 16.8, and the last is mechanical engineering. Uh, the general category cutoff is 27.6, cutoff for OBC, NCL, and EWS is 24.7. Then cutoff for SC/ST PWD is 18.3. So this was the video on the GATE qualifying cutoff for the year 2022. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe the channel for the other important updates related to GATE examination. Thank you.